Hello, NoobToob here with another video for you, and I will be showing you how to get a watermark or that little subscription square that you see on most good YouTube videos. I just figured this out myself. Well, I had help figuring it out, so I'm going to show you how to do it for yourself. So at your home page, I'm going to go here. You're going to go to YouTube Studio. As you can see, I could be doing better with views. You're going to mosey on down here to settings, channel, branding. As you can see, this is what comes up on my video. I can remove, replace it, but you're going to want to use a square image. I suggest going over to Google, square images, subscribe. See? Tons of them. But you're going to want to go to your tools, usage rights, labeled for reuse. This is the exact one that I used. You have more, and you could use anything, but a square is the way to go. Like, this won't work, this won't work, like, that won't work, that definitely won't work. I mean, it's a freaking rectangle, as you can see. That's what you want to do. So now, whenever someone watches one of my videos, this will come up, so they can just hit subscribe during the video. I may want to do custom start time, but I just have it for the entire video. So that's what you want to do. Advanced settings, basic info, yeah, stuff like that. So I hope you found this video useful. So now you know how to do it, because maybe you didn't know how to do it, or you thought it was like some special programming. It's not. It's basic. Anyone can do it. You don't have to be monetized to do it, because I am nowhere near hitting that mark. Anyways, God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.